Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Telegram trading bot. First, you need to select a reputable bot and add it to your Telegram. Next, connect your cryptocurrency exchange account by generating and inputting API keys. Ensure these keys have trading permissions, but no withdrawal access for security. Finally, explore the bot's main menu to understand its core functions and available trading pairs. This initial setup is crucial for secure and effective automated trading. Once connected, configure your trading strategy within the bot. You'll define parameters like the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, for example, ETH versus USD. Set your desired entry and exit prices, and importantly, establish stop-loss levels to protect your capital. You can also specify the trade size, perhaps 25% of your available balance or a fixed amount like $50. Review these settings carefully before activating your bot. With your strategy configured, activate the bot to start executing trades automatically. The bot will place buy and sell orders based on your predefined rules. You can monitor its activity directly through Telegram, receiving real-time notifications. Regularly check your bot's performance and be prepared to adjust your strategy if market conditions shift significantly. Understanding your bot's behavior is key to maximizing its effectiveness. Many bots offer advanced features such as dollar cost averaging, which helps mitigate risk by spreading purchases over time. You can also explore grid trading or arbitrage opportunities. Continuously optimize your bot settings by backtesting strategies with historical data to improve profitability. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Regularly review your bot's performance and adapt to market changes for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.